Namaskara friends and welcome back to Namma VTU Bros. So today we are going to cover module 3 CNR, air pollution and control. And many students think this module is boring, but honestly this scoring module guru. If you understand the logic, you don't need mugging at all. I will tell you what to read, what to skip and how to write in exams. Okay. So look at the first page, introduction to air. Air is essential for life, we all know that, but think practically. If oxygen reduces a little, breathing becomes difficult. And ನಮಗೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ 3 things: life, climate regulation, ecological balance. So these 3 things are very important. So if you write these 3 things clearly, examiner will be happy. Then coming to page 2, that is composition of air. So now this table, composition of air, is very, very important. Nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%. Imagine oxygen was 71%. What was going to happen? Ellaru rocket speed alli fire ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. So that's why nitrogen acts as a buffer. So in exam you can either draw this table, okay, or you can write values in point. Both are accepted. Then coming to importance of air. Breathing is very, very obvious, okay. Then coming to photosynthesis, plants need CO2. Then climate regulation. Think about Bangalore weather changing suddenly. Then UV protection, ozone layer. And for real life example, without ozone, sunburns happen very faster. Full tanning, skin problem. So in exam, if you write any 4 points, 1 line each with explanation, that's enough, okay. Then third page, that this is nothing but common air pollutants. So now we come to air pollution. Air pollution happens when harmful substances enter air beyond permissible limits. Remember this line, beyond permissible limits. Think of a traffic signal. 1 bike idre okay, 100 bikes idre smoke everywhere. That beyond limit idea is key definition here. Okay. So common air pollutants. What are the common air pollutants? Particulate matter, PM. Tiny dust particles, NOx, that is nothing but it comes from vehicles. SO2, it comes from industries. CO, it comes from incomplete combustion. So in real life example, if you sit behind an old bus, smell comes, that's carbon monoxide. Adakke headache agutte. In exam, remember pollutant plus 1 effect. Okay. Yeah. So classification of air pollutants. This page is gold for exam. Classification based on origin, state, chemical composition, sources and health effects. If a 10 marks question comes, this page itself becomes your answer skeleton. So remember this. I will if you need notes, I will upload. Already we uploaded in VTU notes for all. Go through it and you will get it. Okay. Then coming, you can write this way. Then coming to sources of air pollutants. Now sources, natural sources, volcanoes and forest fires. Anthropogenic are human-made sources. These are human-made. So think practically, vehicles, industries and construction dust. Okay, these are the sources of air pollutants. If you live near main road, daily dust-free face wash ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. In exam, write source, pollutant and impact. What is their impact? Okay. Then coming to NAAQS. What is NAAQS? NAAQS is National Ambient Air Quality Standards. Okay. Government sets some safe limits so that pollution doesn't cross dangerous level. Think of speed limit on road. Same concept, okay. Road alli speed limit irutte, idralli safety limits for air pollution, okay. Start exam answer with like NAAQS are established to protect public health. That lines gives you confidence to examiner, okay. Then this is the NAAQS table. Don't panic seeing numbers and all. You don't need to memorize all values. Just remember pollutant names like PM10, PM2.5, SO2, NO2, CO, ozone, lead. Names itself fetch marks, okay. Then air quality index, that is nothing but AQI. Nowadays we are seeing lots of AQI things and stuffs on Instagram, social media, everywhere, because the least AQI is very high nowadays. So that's why, okay. It converts complex, what is this area in the sense? It converts complex pollution data into one number or color, okay. It converts numbers into one data and colors, okay. This is nothing but AQI. Weather app shows AQI. If it's red, outer walk beda, okay. Very common 5 marks question. If they ask, it will ask for 5 marks. Then effects of air pollution on health. So now health. Health effects: respiratory, asthma, COPD. Cardiac means heart problems. Nervous system, memory issues. So children and elders suffer more. Our immune system of them will be weak, so that's why children and elders suffer more. So mention PM, NO2, SO2 things. Then yeah, PM will be always there. Okay. Then economic effects. Sorry for the breakout of paragraphs. Okay. Economic effects. Pollution affects money also. Hospital bill increases, productivity decreases. If workers fall sick, company loss. Simple logic. So easy scoring answer. Then coming to control of air quality by equipment. Now the best part, control devices. How we can control this air pollution. So there will be like ESP. This is a ESP or back filter, which is the safest one. Okay, remove particles using electrical charges. Then baghouse filters, then cyclone separators, wet scrubber. There are n number of things you can write. You can read out this and write in exam. Then coming to gases pollutant control. For gases, catalytic converter or activated carbon is required. Think of a bike silencer. Inside catalytic converter reduces harmful gases. Okay, right mechanism. Then what application it has done. Okay, mechanism, application. It is more than enough. Smoke control measures. Smoke control includes industrial, residential, wildfire control. Okay, industrial, residential, wildfire. Cleaner fuel, proper cleaner fuel, and proper chimney maintenance and smokeless fuels. And this regulations and all. Regulator. Okay, just lines. Just remember this. No stories you need to write. Just remember the key points and write it in exam. Ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is separate logic. Okay, it is caused because of CFCs. Mainly caused because of CFCs. They destroy ozone. UV radiation increases. So more skin cancer, eye problems, serious issue. This is if ozone depletion happened, it is a serious issue. Montreal effect in 1987. Okay, countries agreed to stop CFCs. Because of this, ozone layer is slowly recovering. This is a positive story. Then photochemical changes. Ozone absorbs UV and splits into O2 and atomic oxygen. Okay. And if you understand this PDF like this, model 3 becomes easy. Next, we will continue with module 4. Also, I will explain all the important questions maybe tomorrow on 5th of Jan. And I will cover all the important questions of all 5 modules. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. And if you need notes, go to VTU Notes for all.in. Thank you.